Quinton?
Quinton, hold on. Hold the thing under the water. How to get under the water? Lean. Now. Alright, keep your weight. No, you're not. You gotta be in the middle.
Scoot your body back.
There.
A little bit. There you go, Quinton.
Don't pull it under this time.
It was your fault, not ours.
It's kind of hard not to, boy.
I guess it's like slowly speed up or something, because he'll freaking bust his butt. Hold on! He sucks. Hey! You only got a half a minute left to screw up. I'm not filming over 2 minutes. I'll have to I'll film it as long as I want to, then I'll just trim it later for when he screws up. I think it was funny, Jay. The thing flew up in there when you flipped off. Alright, we gotta do some donuts. Oh, he fell off.